What's up? What's up? What's up? It has been a profitable week. How are we guys doing, man? The markets are looking promising today. Let's do this shit. Right, so we got ES looking to hit the highs. We got NQ looking to hit the highs. No. Yo, Dino, what's up? Nice to see you here. So today, of course, I would like to take advantage of these longs. Of course, this is gonna get hit on NQ and ES. Market will probably just shoot up. It is what it is. That's alright, that's alright, that's alright. Yeah, probably can't hear me. What up, people? What up? Drop your likes, drop your thoughts for today. I'm thinking that ES and NQ will both open up on market open, but yeah, it's a shame that we couldn't take advantage of the longs. What's up, Mohammed? Nice to see you here again. Hope it will be a profitable day today. Right, it is a profitable week already, and it's impossible for us to end up not being a profitable week because we already did a win on Monday, a win on Tuesday, and we only lost like once Tuesday with a break even. So it is impossible for us to lose a whole 5 bar today because we think like profitable traders. Nice seeing you as well, Mice. Nice seeing you as well. For Forex, there isn't much. We can see longs. We can see price dropping down maybe, but longs are more predominant. But market my range until this Michigan consumer news. Although it is a quite weak one, it isn't supposed to move that much. Man, you're not gonna believe this. I got a 3R today on EU short in London session. On EU, what were you seeing? Did you short it right here at this level? I mean, good on you. I would never do that personally because it was risky. Well, I had this level marked on EU, but I wouldn't trade it as we got major liquidity just above, previously high, Asia high, all that stuff that goes against it. But if you managed to take it and it was comfortable to your strategy, then congrats, bro, congrats. What's up, people? What we're looking at, what we're looking at. Um, okay. Oh, did you trade it in Asia? Oh no, sorry. I'm looking at GU. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I'm looking at GU. Yeah, so on EU it was better. It was better. Yeah, I kind of saw this. Previously high swept, right? And yeah, you took it like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good. Obviously, it's just the SMC strategy of one single sweep, and you short it or buy it. Me, I personally wait for a second sweep, which lets me not fall under the trap. But yeah, sometimes it works, like it did here. Yeah, if it checks all the boxes for your strategy, then it's cool, man. Then it's cool. 185, yeah, just below the liquidity. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It works, it works, it works. So right now I'm just looking for something long. All right, we got the London being swept around this level. Man, don't tell me. Fuck. I may have missed a position here. I may have missed a position here. When it's come to this, it can sweep this as well. But man, don't tell me I missed out on a position here. I wasn't looking that much. But this as well, it isn't so much of a trap. But yeah, I will leave it like this. At the same time, I could already be at break even if I was a bit unsure about it. I'll just leave it like this. I could have taken this if I was paying attention to the charts, which I wasn't. My bad. Yeah, because this as well, man. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I was looking at my student stuff. Thought the market wouldn't give nothing. But man, just missed out on these two positions, man. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. And I'm not saying that because they're running. It's just that it's the strategy perfectly. Like we're having the sweep, but it was during London, all right, and nothing to trade here. Even you could have had the strategy because it was one sweep and then two sweeps, but then it would have been a break even because New York also likes to sweep London. But then New York comes to it, sweeps it once, sweep it twice with the candles. You can see this rejection is beautiful. Then we have a second sweep to it, and now it's running. And even if it comes back, would have been break even by now. It's a shame. It's a shame. This could have been a Forex one, which would put us in profits in Forex. But even then, I'm only -1 for Forex this week. But on futures, I'm +6. So, yeah. Still good, but unfortunate one. This is my bad. This is my bad. This is unprofessional of me for not be looking at charts. Although like these were looking a bit boring. But man, if y'all want the proof, I send it to my premium like this. Alright? Look at this. It's perfectly what's happening on GU, what I just showed you. A sweep of London to then go higher. Right? That's bad. I'm out. Yeah, you missed it as well, Mohammed. It is what it is. Sometimes you miss them. Sometimes you miss them. Now, oil. Oil is an interesting one. I have students that trade oil, so they might have a look on it. So oil, we obviously had this short kind of planned out, like just on paper, in a previous live stream, which it turned out to work well. And right now, I was expecting shorts from this level, but it seems that market is just shooting up, and it wants to take out this high from the 10th, from Wednesday. Right now, it's giving off, is bouncing off of that level, trapping people alongside here that will try to short it immediately here and have their stop losses here. We'll just wait for the liquidity to get swept and then maybe try something after it. Because in oil, we still have that major like equal low and high time frame. They're still waiting to be swept. Right? Other markets such as gold, middle of nowhere, silver. I know my friend Thomas was in here longing and got himself a win on his move. But yeah, man, yeah, we're looking at the entry right now. We're looking at the entry. Yo, what's goody, man? We're just talking about you. My God. Yeah, oil is like silver and gold in a way. Whereas commodities, whether you like to call it metals or commodities, like it just moves crazy from time to time. That's why I don't like it that much. Yeah, what's up? Drop your likes, boys. Drop your likes. Let's see how we do today. And let's see if there's something. Because we've been trading Monday and Tuesday, but on the live streams for Wednesday and yesterday, we didn't have nothing. Oil is a black gold. Exactly. Exactly. And now for these, I would like to long it, but will not be able to, as I believe that will just shoot up on market open here in 3 minutes. Yes, sir. Support me, fellas. Support me. Let's see. Let's try to hit the 10 likes first. Then we'll go on to the 15, the 20s. All right. And ask your questions, boys. Ask your questions. Feel free to drop your ideas in the chat. And I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Right, from what I'm seeing, I missed out on a long on GU and a long on EU. I would obviously choose which one would look the best. And like I've been saying, and it's not because this trade is running more than the other, but GU has this massive equal high just above, way more closer than the one that's on the EU. As you can see, this would have been an easy TP by now. Might even be hit before the news. You got your monster dog. I have a white one on the fridge. But right now I'm sipping on this one. Sipping on a little one. On the Rodeo Pineapple Coconut. But yeah, you know how it is. You know how it is. You need the monsters for this one. Yeah, do they have monsters over there? I think in some places you can find it if you go to a store that's selling like the nicotine patches and the weed shops. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, but I mean, just pick up those small ones, the small Red Bull ones, and just go heavy on them. I'll probably do that. Like ways around it. There's probably some Indonesian here that will give you the secrets. All right, the original isn't bad, but that has sugar, right? Oh shit. Sheesh. Didn't know. Yesterday somebody was on the chat asking me how it would look to buy UJ. It seems that this would have been stopped out, but the re-entry was valid, and look at this. Look at this though. Just by seeing the overall vision of the liquidity, sweep here to now sweep this, as it looks like a clear trap. And that boy might be eating right now. He might have got himself a win. If he's watching this, hey, let me know, because if you took this, well done, well done. The XY, this looks like a clear trap that will be taken. Maybe yes, maybe not. But this also looks like equal lows, and overall high time frame target of the DXY is to go lower, which is the reason why I'm looking for longs on both EU and GU. Right, but in these, I would be looking for 3R and not the moon and not the target that I'm expecting price to go there. Like, I'm expecting price to go there, and I might be correct, but in the meantime, price could have swept me out, take me out break even, something like that, because in this move, anything can happen, and then go there. So it's better to have fixed risk reward, go catch yourself a few wins until that target. Yeah, it's bird out there, no play. Yeah, this EU will probably not work. Let's see. It can go here and respect the order block, or it can just sweep the whole thing. Any other two can happen, but I don't know, man. This news sometimes is weak. It ain't gonna do much, I believe. Boys, what are you guys seeing, by the way? What charts are y'all looking at today? Okay, we got market opening. It's sweeping down below, but I can't trade that. NQ will obviously go higher. ES looks dead, so we'll not be looking at this. Right, we want to see clear sweeps of liquidity to then take advantage of it. But we also gotta wait a little bit. For example, here we got the sweep of London, right? And we can easily continue to the upside as overall bias is bullish. Right here we're getting the sweep of London, but I cannot position myself here because first it's the market open, just crazy volatility, right? And there's no structure here for me to place myself. The best case scenario is if it comes back, it does a second sweep to it, meaning this will be a trap, and then I buy it. And even if I would buy it and it would just continue higher from here, that's valid, that can happen, but that would look like this as a trade. That would look like a 1 hour trade as a scalp. All right, my boy Thomas is on NQ long still. I mean, easy pass, because you said we was going for this, right? Yeah, that's more than achievable. That's more than achievable right here. Because this liquidity looks like it's gonna get taken easy. Right now, if it goes lower, that's good for me, as I want to be taking advantage of the longs, boys. Right, so ES would have been something like this. Sweep of London, touch on this efficiency right here. It seems to be slower, so I'll not be looking at it that much. NQ, still deciding, you know. It would be better to have a sweep of London right here. All of these are kind of in together, so not really looking at any of them in case we sweep them and try to long for longs there. Don't know about it. We'll just wait. Just a matter of waiting. I think the Dow Jones here, it's the one that's looking the best. If we can get that second sweep to it that I was talking about, and then I'll long it from there. Okay. And yeah, and that will make the others just rip above towards their liquidities because they're super close to it. I mean, yes, but NQ is the one that's closest to it, so we'll probably do so. But if it goes down, man, I'm buying the hell out of those longs, you know. UJ, because of this liquidity right here, it's currently testing out the trap. It might sweep this and then continue higher. But I don't even trade UJ, so I won't be even try to take an aggressive internal trade, you know. Careful, Dow is dangerous cat. Oh yeah? I mean, I'm seeing this because Luke told me to have a look at it. He was telling me how it was better than ES and NQ. And truth is, they all move the same. They all move towards the same direction, but they all might have different charts. One might look better than the other. And as I saw yesterday, it was a fucking monster. It was a fucking monster doing this to the upside. It's a shame that it only swept London, though, and then went higher. I wanted to be doing better sweeps. And even Wednesday, I was also looking at it, looking at the charts, but it didn't give it to me. So, yeah. There's someone in the Discord, in the free community, asking me for the bias of an NQ, man. Just come onto the stream. Just come to the stream, man. And you don't need to need the bias for NQ. You just need to zoom out, right? So yeah, we're kind of having that down move. You know, we can sweep any of these three liquidities. Unless it's London, I won't be that interesting on it. And Dow Jones, I would love to do to continue to do the same as NQ. Just go down and sweep some liquidity. Unless this already it. This is already the liquidity sweep, and we're just gonna go higher from here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, oil. You can assume it to go higher as well. Make yourself an alarm here at 64.08 at futures of oil. If you do trade it, there might be a potential short from this level. There might be a potential short. And although there is these equal lows right here, you don't go for them and try to close a 15-hour trade, right? You just go for a little bit. Your fixed risk reward of 3 or 5, whatever they may be. Okay. We're sweeping stuff, right? It's getting interesting. Pay attention, boys. Pay attention. Pay attention because we might have some. If NQ goes below here, there might be a long. This I didn't take, and GU I didn't took it as well. It's a shame. I missed out on it. But yeah, I would choose this GU one just because it looks way cleaner than EU. Not because it's already up there, but because of this high time frame liquidity. I have to repeat myself as there's new people in the chat probably coming in. Right? Looking at Dow Jones, most probably, as it's the one that's looking the best. Waiting for a double sweep of this, making this a trap. And NQ, it's beautiful. It's beautiful because it's making equal highs with the high time frame liquidity. But I would like it to drop a bit more before buying still. What are you guys looking at? Are you guys trading anything? You guys seeing anything different to me? Come on, man. Be active. Let me know. All right, this looking like something. Let's hope. Right, because depending on the trade, right, if we get a slightly riskier trade, I'll trade on this account, which is slightly negative, about 0.5% down. If we get some a good trade, a good setup, right? It doesn't necessarily mean it will be a winner, but the higher probabilities of it being a winner are obviously higher. But yeah, I'm gonna see which account it is a turn off. But we got this account that's up, ready to be passed within a trade. This account that's up, ready to also be passed with a trade. Because I'm risking 1% and both of these are up 3%. All you need is 6% to pass your Apex account. Literally, go check it. Down below, you have a link for Apex, or you can just go through Apex website itself. You get 80% off using the code Dylan. You can get yourself a 50K for like $20 or so. Right? And then you're trading your funded account, 50K. Like this, which we got also at 0. Fresh, ready to be traded, right? Ready to be making money on. So just on that, you can easily become a 6-figure funded trader on futures with Apex. If you do decide to cop multiple accounts, copy trading on them, or even just take it one by one, even they're super cheap. So don't miss out on that opportunity. Currently 80% off. So yeah, guys, I do believe that this is the easiest way to become funded, as I just did become funded within a week of starting futures, but also because I knew how to trade. So if you want to learn how to trade, stay in this live, go to my channel, you'll actually learn. But of course, this won't be that entertainment type of live, as I will not be scalping and trading every single move. All right, but let's see. Ask your questions down below. I'll answer to everything, right? I can see the chat. So, yeah, let's see if this is a profitable day, man. We're having a profitable week. And this is all you need, guys. This is all you need. You gotta ask yourself, you either want profits or you want dopamine, right? Because if you want me to be trading here, giving you like 5-10 trades a live stream, that's fun. But at the end of the day, do you want dopamine or you want money, right? Because as you know, it's quality above quantity. right? Yeah, boy. So it's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. Yo, what's up, future? Konnichiwa. How we doing? How we doing? What you looking at today? I'm currently looking at perhaps NQ if it moves fast. This equal lows with the high time frame that we've been consistently looking at. It's looking great, but I do need to NQ to drop lower in order to be a safer setup and not just buy within this range. Then Dow Jones possibly, depending on if it moves as well. GU earlier, okay. Nah, that's good because on GU I was seeing this long, but I missed out on it. I wasn't looking at the charts. So did you took it, man? If you took it, well done, well fucking done. And this, guys, would have been because not only we set the liquidity previously, this inducement right here that's kind of in the middle of the move didn't take no liquidity as well, right? But we have the higher time frame liquidity on GU that's looking beautiful, equal highs, all of that on the higher time frames. And then we sweep the liquidity, but it's London. You could have had a trade here as it does a double sweep within it, but it's London and then it just gets tagged out during New York. Could have been a break even for you or could have been a stop loss depending on how you manage it. But yeah, just remember, London doesn't move that much sometimes and New York likes to sweep the highs and lows of London. So in here, New York sweeps London. It does a double sweep on the candles. As you can see, you have one candle that makes a reaction out of it. You have another candle just stays within it. You have another one that sweeps the two previous ones that made the original sweep. And then you can place yourself on stop order on the block and just have a massive run. Right? If you were to place yourself on a limit here, you wouldn't be in by now. And even if you have it still, you might just get trapped due to how visible it's looking now. That's the other thing. So yeah, for me, myself, I just position myself on stop order and take advantage of these beautiful runs. At the same time, I might get fucked because it might tag me in and then go straight to my stop loss. Right? But that's the thing. There's pros and cons with the limit and stop order type of positioning. But yeah, that GU looks good. ES, slow, middle of nowhere. NQ, let's see. Let's see. It might go up from here, but don't want to be trading it in that zone. And look. Dow Jones. Look, Dow Jones might be giving me a setup here. It might actually be the first trade I take on this pair. Which is supposedly, according to my friend, better than NQ and ES. So let's see. Because we got the sweep of liquidity. We got the sweep of London. On the market open. Beautiful rejection. People definitely longing from this level. Having their stop losses under this wick. Right now they've been taken out. You can have something like this. Boom. Might not have even that much structure. It is at M1 as well. It might be a straight stop loss. I will wait for at least another candle to be formed and not place myself on this same candle, because that could be a straight stop loss. Just because the candle can easily change, because it's still forming. You know, the candle isn't closed yet. What you mean this bitch? Which bitch? The Dow Jones? Alright, let's see, boys. This can go up from here, but I'm waiting on this candle to be done at least, to be forming some structure. Alright, welcome people. Yeah, US 30. I mean, don't talk shit on US 30, bro. When I was trading the Forex competitions, man, that shit was beautiful. Especially doing news. US 30 was a shit. Alright, we got 10 people watching. please drop yourself a like. We might be getting on a setup here. We're in a profitable week. This is not about dopamine, right? It's about quality trades. If you want to learn, stick with us. If you're a bitch, leave the live now, right? I see one guy left.
Não há nada com o nome de semestre de ônibus iOS agendado por as 7 até as 8 hoje.
Okay. Still waiting 2 minutes on this. Let's see if we can get some. NQ might be going up from here, of course. ES might still be at the same level. Not really looking at that. UJ doing like I mentioned, the sweep of this start of New York and then go higher. GU might go higher from here, of course. Missed out on this beautiful trade. Could have put us on profits for Forex, but we're still for the week up on futures, about 6R. All right, and we're gonna finish everything on profit, right? The overall trading performance, because there is no way that we gonna lose 5R today, because we're not unprofitable traders. We'll not like succumb to the dopamine or anything. Okay, yeah, it might be a miss, right? It might be a miss. Let's see. I want some structure in this. I want some M5 structure for me to place myself. Yeah, if this was M5 candles, I would be in already. But because it's M1, like, no. Especially on live, I will not do that to y'all. Look, it seems to be going up already, but hey, wait. And if it is on Dow Jones, I'll potentially trade on the account that's a better in drawdown, because we're trying new stuff. It isn't exactly something that we should like we're comfortable with, but you need to be always testing. But this is a challenge. Don't really care, and it's like in break even. But the other ones that are close to passing, I'll trade something better on them. But yeah, boys, what you seeing? What are you boys seeing today? Today is definitely looking better than the other days. Okay. Did anyone besides Future manage to get on this GU trade? This completely like conflict to my strategy, but I missed out on it. As I wasn't seeing the markets. But if any of you guys took it, that's awesome, man. Also send out kind of analysis on it. As you can see, GU, the timer, the sweep of London, it's exactly what happened. I send out to my premium, to my students, and this is exactly playing out. Just a shame that we didn't get it. Yeah, these are looking kind of slow. Let's wait, man. I don't want to be doing like a position here, like a dopamine crackhead, and just going for a scalp of 2R. Nah, price can still drop down on this and give me a better structure right here to place myself. Can still sweep the same sweep that did the second sweep. Looking for GJ buys. Okay. Oh yeah, I think somebody was looking for shorts yesterday. I told him this level is gonna get taken, my friend. Might go down, but I mean right now we might go down, but I don't know. Oh no, maybe we still can go up. Maybe we still can go up. I don't know. It depends on this. Depends on what it wants to do. I'm seeing a bunch of bullshit, a bunch of like sweeps, build of liquidity. For me, gonna do this, I don't know. Can go up. Let's see. I'm seeing it being bullish every single day. That might be it. Eh, yeah, kinda, kinda. Just using this for the streams really, and a bit of trading. I'm still using both, so it's good. At least I can be looking at the chart somewhere and doing something on the other. But yeah, getting used to it. Getting used to it. Right, NQ still dropping. Will Dow Jones drop here as well? Yes. I think they're still waiting on the news to be dropped, which is in about 7 minutes. Right, the Michigan sentiment. Man, we would have get like a easy win even before the news release on GU. Unfortunate one. But like I said, we still up for the week. And we remain calm and be a nice traders. Man, come on. We're like 5. It's a shame that most of the people are perhaps still busy or working or in school because they can't join now. But now it's the time to join the live stream, boys. Now it's the time to be here and really look at the trades. Because it's the time where the market's active. Then on London close, like in an hour or so, it's possible that we get some trades, but it's not the best timing. Not the best timing, of course. Oil. Is anyone looking at this with me? Yeah, it's crazy how Thomas is the only one being active. But the people who have been active in this, the more streams you do, the more active they've been, right? Got like 300 live direct messages, right? I want this to continue. Yeah, we got 5 people watching. In a few, we'll have 10. But now it's the best time to be here. Yo, what's up, Wick? What's up? Did you also took GU? You boys probably took it. You boys are probably eating off that GU longs, right? You guys must be good. Yeah. Unlucky of me for missing this out. This would have been my win of the week. Normally I'm getting like for me it's good. If I can get 1 week per week, 1 win per week on Forex, it's good. Next week 20 average. For sure. Oh, for sure. Yeah, it's getting crazy. I called out a win on live on the first live stream. The thing was the trade was taken on London close, kind of late into the markets, and then the win was only received, was only hit. The TP was only hit like 1 or 2 hours after the stream, because I didn't know if that trade would have played out. Like it could have taken hours, it could have been a stop loss, and I wasn't about to sit on live for like 5 or 6 hours, But yeah, it ended up being a TP, and the entry was given, and the analysis, everything was given during the live stream, but the TP was after the stream. Oh, how is that? It would be a loss, but you targeted 5. How would it be a loss here? You mean like you took it on London, and it would have been a loss? And in here, the stop loss is quite small, is under 10 pips, so you can look for 5R. Definitely doable. As we also got the higher time frame liquidity here. So if I was taking this on a challenge and looking to pass a challenge, I would perhaps go for the 5 or 4, depending on how much I need to pass. Yeah, or London. There was also a trade. You also had 1 sweep and then 2 sweeps. I thought you saw this, but then like yeah, London is that thing where it was also late on London. That's why I didn't take it. I saw it, but I didn't take it because yeah, late on London. Then New York comes in and just takes it out, as New York likes to sweep the highs and lows of London session. And yeah, I saw a trade on Shendal today, like a few minutes ago, but news is there, so yeah. But these news aren't so impactful. I mean, it depends, but it might not do much. I don't think the Australian dollar was looking too nice right now for me. I mean, it can continue its journey up. I can see some liquidity up here. Uh, and we sweeping this, and we coming to this efficiency, right? It was a high before. Maybe. Doesn't look like much to me, just because of how like yeah, it's already come a lot down. I prefer when it looks clear, kind of like on GU, like with the candles, or something like this on London session. It's a bit more clearer. Let's see, NQ going up. Is Dow Jones going up as well? Yeah. I could have been in this, but like I said, the wanted for the candle to be over and then place myself. Right, this candle's printed quite quickly. Yes, I could have been in. Yes, I could have been on nice profits, but I couldn't be stopped out like this. And you guys watching that's taking this just because I'm taking this, you would have been burned as well, even more perhaps. Let's wait, because even then the target, my overall target, where I think the price will go, is a bit far. So there's no point for me trying to like buy this for 1 hour, 2 hour gain, right? I want a 3. And this sweep of this or anything, but let's wait for it to be done. So as it seems like we may not be able to get the shorts, the buys until that high time frame liquidity, we might be getting on the shorts later. Yo, trades by Chico. Nah, I mean, did I say that? Probably. Okay, so today, Chico, we're trying to catch on some longs on futures. Still watching this NQ higher time frame liquidity that we've been trying to catch the moves to it. It's just that we're not seeing anything being swept down below. Would love for this to happen in order to long it. I guess we'll just take it directly and then catch some shorts over there. Dow Jones, we were about to place ourselves, but needed some extra structure for me to place myself here. It's already running. Might be a miss. Let's see. Yes, not moving that much. And GU, I missed out on this way before the live stream even started. So it would have been a clean, nice win. What are you seeing today, by the way? What are you guys looking at? Every single one of you. Are you guys on trades? Are you guys looking at something? Are you guys looking to do something opposed to what I'm seeing? Let me know, bro. Let me know. This is a democracy, fellas. And you have freedom of speech here. Nobody will shoot you for your opinion. Trading gold, that's it. Now seeing GJ short, but it's Friday. Alright. You seeing GJ short? My guy Thomas is seeing GJ buy. Let's see. Gold trade, you got a win on that? Gold, I don't like it. It's too much on range, and it's even like within the London session price action. But if you got it here, that's a sniper. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Is anyone looking at oil? Oil might be interesting as well. Sweep off the high from 2 days ago. Do it like this and then short. Like no, don't fall for this price action yet. Oh, it's getting some reaction, boys. is getting some reaction. So let's see. It's either testing out some super low time frame order block here and continue to go up, or it might just sweep the whole thing. And that would be good, at least for the longs that I'm still trying to get on. ES is looking a bit dead. But yeah, I really wanted NQ though. NQ has the best target out of all of them. But it seems like we may not be able to get on the longs so far. It might go up from here. And yeah, keeping an eye on Dow Jones as well. Can go up. Yeah, I was also seeing that major resistance on GJ. The thing is, we already swept it, so right now shorts could be clean. I just don't like how it's looking within the day, I think. But on high time frame, it can be, there could be some shorts there, or price can just continue its way up. But I would look for shorts in that area. I would look for shorts in that area for sure. But that pair, it's like a bit all over the place. If you go to the high time frame, we did multiple sweeps, multiple equal lows, equal highs. Sorry, but yeah. For my strategy, I would look for shorts. I would look for shorts. But I can also see it continue to go up for sure. UJ doing what I said, sweeping at this low. If you trade this, maybe you can get an internal buy until the liquidity here of the previous daily high. You know, just going off the smart mode trap cycle, which I teach, because this was a trap. This order block will become a trap, and it's giving off the reaction right now, just to trap more people within it. But it will most likely just continue to the upside. I don't know if you guys seen that. DXY can continue down, as it would prove that point, but it can also go up, as this looks like a clean trap as well. Yeah, clean win on this. News already was done. As you can see, we didn't feel it that much. I told y'all it isn't a significant one. The Michigan consumer sentiment could have been a great win on this. Well done to Future, maybe, and Wick that saw it on paper as well. Congrats to y'all. Congrats to y'all. I also saw it. Sent it out to my premium, but I didn't saw it live because I wasn't watching the screen. But here you go, sweep of London, boom, and you would buy after seeing Smart Merch App inside. Kind of just like the candles, doing a second sweep to it. Very proud of my journey. Like 5 months ago, I was entering short in this area. Damn. Yeah, man, yeah. You don't want to be doing that. For sure. Yeah, man, you guys got to be proud of yourselves, you know? Even just for slight improvements. If you're at least 1% better than yesterday, that's already a win. Because you can't be looking at, oh, I'm a failure because I'm still not funded or whatever. Right? Take it slowly but surely. Like I remember when I was still learning, maybe it was maybe I lost, I missed out on a position. Maybe I wasn't on the markets, or I don't know, something. But at least I was happy that my analysis were correct. That I saw it, that my analysis like exactly played out like I was thinking it would. Or even if I got in a break even and then went to my press section, at least I knew I was growing in terms of my vision, of my trading vision, and how I would see the markets play out. Exactly. You guys should never give up. and tell yourself that you're profitable even before you actually achieve the status of it. And just believe in your mind that you're profitable. Because if you believe that you're profitable, then you're not gonna do some unprofitable brokey shit. Right? If you believe, consistently tell yourself every single day, I'm profitable, I'm a profitable trader, I'm a profitable trader, I'm a profitable trader. Then you see yourself almost jumping in on 3 trades back to back, trying to like FOMO the price, get some losses back, get your profits back or something. Like you can catch yourself doing that and say like, how can I say I'm a profitable trader whilst doing that? That's why you gotta believe it before you actually are a profitable trader. It starts from within. The change starts from within. It's all a mindset shift in regards to psychology. And so you gotta do like the saying, be to have. You start believing in your mind that you are a profitable trader. You start to do what a profitable trader does, and then you become a profitable trader. Exactly. Build your confidence by evidence. That's another point. Because I wasn't confident about my skill. But man, then I would look at my backtesting and like, what the fuck, bro? I'm profitable as fuck. I'm super profitable. So why shouldn't these results be reflected on the live markets? And that's where the psychology comes in. If you guys got any psychology questions, just drop it in right now, man. Or some trades that you like me to see, or some analysis of certain pairs. Just drop it in below, guys. Drop it in below. Take advantage of the fucking live streams. My God, man. Would we get the 5 on this just because of the lows pips top loss? Yeah, cannot lose. I can still lose, of course. But man, it's been a long fucking way. It's been a long way, man. Nah, but like I still lose here and there, but I still consider myself on a major winning streak. Cause man, I used to not get wins, not even for months, guys. I wasn't executing my forecasts. I wasn't confident in my skill. Right now, I execute on them like it's nothing. And I even like started doing passing 2 challenge per month. And then recently, even like literally broke that record by passing 2 funded accounts within the same week. Right? So that's the craziness of it. That's why you guys gotta keep going. I'm not special between y'all, compared to y'all. Real shit. I'm not the best, guys. I was way worse than y'all. I literally say, for most of y'all, and I know your capabilities. I know some of you guys that I've talked to on Discord. I know your skills. And me with 2 years of experience, I was worse than some of you guys with some months of experience within your journey of trading. Yeah, when the market's kind of like this, when it's kind of slow during market open and it's not really deciding its direction, it can be delivering a trap during London close within the next hour or so. Maybe we'll see another sweep to the lows, or maybe we'll just continue. Right? That's also an option, but I'm not seeing much. Okay. We might on NQ we might see the sweep, and then we might try out the shorts on London close, especially because then you have the London close confluence of London being bullish, New York being bullish. So London close, we're chasing another day, opposite to both of these in the same direction, which will be bearish. Do any of you guys know about the London close session? Really good, guys. Really good. You should look into it. It's not by accident that is my most profitable session, at least for Forex. I still do get some wins on it for futures though. Come on, boys. We 11 people in here. Who's trading what? Who's trading what? Still waiting to catch on a beautiful trade today. But I want you guys to also learn along it. All right. I'm not gonna be doing this forever. Make sure you learn in these. Make sure you drop your likes as well. Make sure if you want to get funded this year, you you can literally cop multiple funded accounts evaluations from Apex that cost like $20 or $30 each using the code Dylan, 80% off, and man, you can increase your chances of being funded like that. I'll show y'all. Got multiple ready here. We have a challenge that's a bit on drawdown, but then we have two that's close to being passed. Literally need one single win in order to be funded. And then we also have a fresh funded that we passed like a week ago. That's still not traded. I still haven't traded on this account. Right? I'm still waiting on a good setup to be taken on it. And then boom, we execute on it. While some of you will be jumping on the funded, would get funded, and would straight immediately take a trade on it, looking to make money out of it fast. And then what do you get? A losing streak, a loss after loss after loss. You're playing like literally risky setups. You got a funding account, take it seriously. Take it seriously. Wait for a good setup to be presented to you. And keep rotating between your accounts. Right? I've gotten like 2 wins on the challenges. That felt personal. I mean, there's a Portuguese expression like how would I say this? Like if it clicked onto you, if you felt it, it's because it's like it served to you. I don't know how to explain it, man. It's because you deserve it or some way, you know? It wasn't necessarily direct to be a shot at you, but if you felt it like it was, and it was meant to be, man. Yeah, of course, man, of course. I mean, the episode 13 is here, man. We're winning, man. Look at this. Another funded account. 2 other accounts about to be funded. I don't know, man. You guys enjoyed the series, by the way? Or what if I bring it back, episode 13, with a little payout? How about that? And some hers. And Lamborghini. How about that? My God, man. Yeah, the episode 13 is coming, man. It's coming. Maybe a little Thailand one, you know? Let's see. Little payout. Okay. We didn't take these people, but this is good. Because right now, if we sweep this, that's an entry. That's a setup, boys. That's a setup. And if it's a loss, it's a loss. Right? Don't have a 100% win rate. Don't be jumping on the gun here. We just did 2 live streams previous to this one where we didn't literally take any trades. You know about the learning close. Can you give a little explanation for it? Because I didn't get much. I will give you a quick one here. There is videos on my channel where you'll see me always talking about London close, but there is one where it's 5 secrets about the trading sessions, which most people don't know, and literally most people don't know that shit. So Go see it afterwards. But London close, it's essentially like a retracement of the day. And London close plays out like 45 minutes from now, just for you to get it right on your time zone. 45 minutes from now, after the local morning of New York session, right after New York session technically, but just the local morning, you get the London close session, which is where the London session is closing on the day. So London close session is mostly a retracement of the day, meaning it will just retrace the New York price action that if it has moved a lot. So most of the times, the best confluence you can use with London close is if the London was bullish, is if both sessions, London and New York, had the same bias. You just look to do the opposite on London close. So say London was bullish, New York was bullish, London close will most likely be a bearish, a retracement of both, and then to make efficiency with London price action, meaning to come like if both of these were bullish, right? London bullish, New York bullish, London close most likely be a retracement to come back to where London price action was. And then the same thing. If London was bearish, New York was bearish, London close most likely be bullish. This is the best confluence you can use towards it. Then you can have the one where London and New York are opposite directions. You just try to do on London close to follow the bias of London. Meaning, if London was bearish, New York was bullish, you try to short on London close to make the same bias as it did on London, which was bearish. Do you guys understand that? Let me know. Of course, test this out. London close in my indicator, as you can see, you have the kill zones: London blue, New York yellow, and then you have this pink one, salmon one, which is like London close. Got it perfectly. All right. Pro shit. Love it. Yeah. Think about it, guys. Really think about it. Like, put a sessions indicator in, and it's late within the day. We didn't get much. The day didn't do much, and then we finally get a sweep of liquidity that you were waiting for all day, and it's London close. You try to see. Okay, London was bullish, New York was bullish. We see the liquidity above. Right now, London close might be a retracement of the day, and the beauty of it is it's just like a calm price action, towards your direction. There's no craziness. That's just calm and steady. It's probably going to be an overnight trade maybe, but it will get you a nice little TP and not too much stress on it. It is good. But also depends if you can hold overnight, depending on what broker you're in or prop firm. And yeah, this is looking good. And also another factor is that in London close, at least for Forex, I don't necessarily need to wait for a smart money trap. I don't necessarily need to wait for a second sweep. I'm always telling y'all, sweep of liquidity, following that, you wait for a smart money trap inside of it. But if we were in London close session, then I don't necessarily need to wait for one. As the market is already like being closed, it's already slow, prices have much time to do all that trap thing, so you'll most likely just go towards the other direction. If you guys following me. Alright, let's get the likes up. We're 10 people watching, 9 likes. Come on, people. If you're getting value out of this, which you'll probably not get the same amount of value in the other stream. Perhaps you get the trades, perhaps you get the wins, perhaps you get the scalps. More entertainment, of course, but the important thing is for you to learn by yourself. Because then if any of these guys die and you're eating off of them, yeah. I mean, the indicator is my own. You will only get it if you're my student, because it's like 20 indicators in one, especially coded in the trading view. It isn't public. Also because, literally because it's 20 indicators. It's a bunch of indicators combined itself. You can't really get it on public for TradingView because TradingView would just shut it down as that would make it pointless for you to buy trading premium if you're understanding. Because if you buy a trading premium, you can have multiple indicators. So they will not allow someone to have like an indicator that's multiple indicators, right? Because if I show y'all, I mostly just use the sessions and kill zones thing, and also you seen this like saying the days and all that stuff. But there's like a bunch within it. As you can see, most of the stuff I don't really use anymore. But there's a lot of stuff. If you're a beginner and you want the imbalances, you want the highs and lows of the day, or the monthlies or the weeklies being marked for you. If you do the CLS, if you do fractal, if you want the midnight open, like opens of the sessions, if you can have a line on it, that's the confluence I used to use in the past. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. Wait, did we get a sweep here? It's looking like equal low. Man, I would position myself here, but this is looking like equal low. This is looking like equal low. Okay, we sweep in NQ. Right, so this is a tough one. So on NQ we can have shorts, while on Dow Jones we can have buys. While on ES we can still be moving up. What do we do from here? Yeah, man. Yeah, awesome to hear that, Mohammed. You're already full time? I mean, no, because it didn't technically sweep it. So if people have their stop losses in it, imagine some people might have their stop losses literally at the sweep, so might have like literally just a bit of below. I won't count it as a sweep if we didn't like actually surpassed it. And in Forex, I would say like the sweep isn't too valid if it isn't like 2 pips. That's for a major liquidity. But for this like lower time frame smart money traps, I wouldn't see like 2 whole pips. But as you can see, it's already like reversing from here. Like me placing myself on equal lows or equal highs, that would be like contradicting my strategy, which is liquidity, right? I want to see people get taken out. So that's the whole point. Let's see if we can get this. But it is a bit of a contradicting one, because we might be buying the Dow Jones whilst selling at Q, which, as you guys know, they are both on futures market. They're both on American markets, I should say. They both move in the same direction. But the one thing that we can have is Nasdaq sweeping this liquidity. Perhaps it can continue to go up. Perhaps it can give a little reaction off of this sweep it again, making a smart money trap, being on London close. Because the thing is, with London close on futures markets, it's the total opposite of the Forex one. Instead of like in Forex, it tends to not do a smart money trap in London close. In futures, it's actually the opposite, where it tends to do a smart money trap. You guys getting a ton of value, man. Please leave a like. You won't get this anywhere else, man. You won't get this anywhere else. And what other trader do you know that will be speaking 3 hours in a motherfucking live stream about trading whilst giving you gems and not teaching you what's a pip, what's a session? No, I mean, I'm teaching what's a session, but it's London close session, okay? Which most people don't know, and seekers of it. Things that will actually make you profitable, right? Trading is like 50% win rate, and I always target 2.5 3R per trade, so I try to improve it even better. That's good, man. That's good. Then you should be profitable, man. You should be profitable then. With those stats, that's profitable shit. Boom, you see? Let's fucking get it. And people leaving the live stream. They leave in the live stream because there's no trades. There's just knowledge. I don't want the knowledge, man. I want the trades. I want the dopamine, man. And I'm about to take a trade here. I mean, I will. It can go down for sure. It can go down to this efficiency, like key level that was previous high. Come back to test it. It can continue to go down for sure. But we can continue to go up. We'll make this a smaller chop as well. Do multiple sweeps of this liquidity right here. We're probably coming to a huge imbalance that's in here. Alright, even on a 4 hour or so. The only thing I don't like is this Nasdaq. But Nasdaq still has some structure to build. But ES at the same time, will ES just drop down and leave these lows, leave these highs intact? Probably not. I mean, it could probably go down, maybe sweep something below, build more liquidity towards this, and then come at it. But just because of the proximity factor, due to how close it is and how I know these will not hold, I think we can sweep it all. Thing is, will NQ continue from this? Because NQ just swept a bunch of liquidity right here. Right? We're on all-time highs here. So that could be a good short from this level, but I'll wait a bit in order for structure to be built around this level, and also because London close can come in with a trap. So let's wait a bit and see if the Dow Jones here wants to do a little trade. Low risky one, because I don't normally trade the Dow Jones, and because of the whole Nasdaq sweep, you know. But hey, till here with the sweep, with what, 2 point, literally can be 3R, a bit above the liquidity, right? We anticipate the sweep, but then like it can also move a bit higher than the sweep, just to really sweep it, because some people will put their stop losses here, some people will put it slightly above. I mean, for me, not really. There's obviously data that you can look at that might differ from days of the week, different days of the week. Considering like you're best at this day or you're worst at this day. For the market itself and for me, not really. There's only the thing of being Friday and the market. If market is slow and it's London close, meaning the market's ending and almost being done, then you cannot like having high targets or whatnot, because it depends. Price might go here within this, or it might just be slow and close me out on some profits or drawdown or stop loss. That's the only thing. It's because market will shut down, and if it's slow, it will not give you a win in these times. So yeah, Nasdaq was a sweep of this and also this, and it could be a winner. As you know, market was going up, making this a trap to then make this a trap, as it's also a beautiful rejection. But that's more of an internal one. But yeah, it's a whole smart money trap cycle. Again, right now, we're not short it here immediately, but yeah, some structure like this, it would be good for a short. I did some bullshit here. Okay. Yeah. Not sure about this. What are you guys feeling? You guys feeling more the longs on Dow Jones or the shorts on NQ? Obviously, this looks like it's gonna not fail, but still continue to go down, which will increase my stop loss size and will not be that good. But on NQ, I wouldn't position myself on this candle right here. I would position myself on this one if we manage to sweep it again. build some more structure into it. Instead of placing myself instead of positioning myself kind of like this, fuck. The fuck? Bruh. I got the caps lock or what? The fuck? Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Awesome. We got it. Instead of placing myself like a double breaker structure like this, I'll be looking like this, where we get something like this. A low that makes a new high, that breaks this, and then we break structure. So that looks way better. But it is risky here. It is risky because London close still isn't in place, and we might get a trap following it. Right, so we got this. You might be edging. You might try both. You might short NQ and then try long Dow Jones. But you will be edging. You need to expect one of them to not work. I'll have this right here. And even if we're bullish, guys, we can easily sweep this London, you know? I mean, within the day, that's a good question. Because you gotta see. But yeah, shorts, risky. So I would potentially try out on the account that's negative, right? We already up for the week. I will not damage the fundamentals on this, and especially the others that are close to being funded. We miss out on this win on GU, guys. Could have been a nice win. Could have been a nice challenge pass as well if we were going for a challenge pass, right? EU not much, but GU was nice here. But this was before the live. Okay, nothing. Oil still in this. Maybe we take out the major liquidity during next week. This continues to go down. We didn't take this. All right, we just patiently wait for our confirmation. Right, we wait for the stable liquidity and then some breaker structure in order to confirm our entry and not just jump the gun early. So here, waiting on this price action to be done, waiting on these candles. Let's see if we can get some move to the downside. Again, if we go to M1, you'll see some structure. I can just see it by the candles, you know. But you guys do it as you wish. I wouldn't really recommend for you to go to M1 unless it takes the structure like this. But yeah, stay on M3, M5, you know. If you learn to see the candles like this, learn to see the structure behind it on lower time frames is what I mean. Let's see if this doesn't go too high. If it just looks clean and clear, like sweep of liquidity, it does a double sweep here and it just goes down from it, and not plays around and it just goes up, is up. Then I would just forget about the shorts, because then it doesn't look clear anymore. Yes, still dead at the same place. Whilst this is also dying. Yeah, it will probably be a short on NQ. Anyone trading something? Anyone looking to trade? Come on, guys. Don't be so dead in the chat. 7 people watching. Come on, get me over to that 10 likes, please. Let's get it. Oh, I thought you was already gone, Thomas. Yeah, man. Have a good night, man. Have a good night. Nasdaq should be good. Should be good by now, no? Or still waiting for more highs? Well, I'll probably short against you, maybe. Let's see. But good luck, man. Good luck. Take care, G. So what's your gold market for gold in FOMC? Is FOMC next week? Not sure, bro. On gold, I would prioritize longs on gold. It's looking messy, you know. We sweep stuff down below to sweep something above, probably this. Probably going higher, unless we play around and sweep more liquidity, so then you can long. Yeah, for gold, playing it safe, bro. I would just have these liquidities drawn and try to long it or buy it in this, like you could have done it here. Boom, boom. In these levels, right? Just wait for one to be taken, so then you do the opposite. That's what I would do if I was trading gold, but I don't personally trade it. I don't really like the pair. Keep an eye on an NQ 24 100. Oh, you get that shit, maybe. Oh, hopefully, you know, it's super close to it. Let's see, man. If it rejects from this level, I'll short it. But I'm keeping in mind that we're shorting NQ, right? We should be prioritizing buys, but we just swept the major liquidity. And I'm also giving the fact of London close. It might deliver a trap. Meaning it might deliver another sweep to it. But at the same time, London close might give us the correct bias, because London was bullish, New York was bullish. So boom. Expecting London close to be bearish. If it doesn't happen, if I do get swept out, there might be re-entry, but at the same time it's Friday. So if price keeps going slow like this, and we're not even sure to be getting a win or some movement, it is risky in that sense, because market will close and it will be the weekend. But what are you guys seeing? And if I take the shorts here, will you take it as well? That's my question. You're not forced to it. And obviously don't take if it doesn't align with your own strategy. But let me know. I'll be curious to know. Boys. This keeps dropping, which just makes the stop loss even bigger. We'll keep a mind of it. And Q, I just want to see if it gives us an entry here. Is anyone still watching, or are we just having bots watching? Come on, guys, don't be shy, don't be afraid, right? I can see every single one of your messages. Your messages will not be ignored, right? I can see them. Yo, my guy Gitesh, what's up? What's up? Evening, broski. I sent you a message. Don't know if you saw it. Yeah, man. Thank you, Shiko. Thank you. Thank you for always be watching. But I also prefer if you guys keep active on the chat. That way I can also speak my shit and also teach y'all. But yeah. Because I feel like if I feel like nobody's watching, I'll just get demotivated. But if you guys watching, then that keeps me motivated, and I'll keep on doing this. All right. Yeah, learn futures. If you speak about Forex, I can argument more. I mean, but the vision is the same. The vision is the same though. Everything I'm speaking in here, sometimes I drop the argument of if this was Forex, if this was futures, but vision is the same. The strategy is the same. Yo, I already had a bit of an energy drink. If I get another one, I'll be here for 5 hours, man. Main reason I prefer futures over forex. Cleaner price action, easier than a bit. Motherfucker. Easier than forex in some way, where you can just wait for the market open. In forex, you can be on the trade on the charts everything like all day. Whereas future, you know where the price will deliver your setup. It's literally on those 1-2 hours within the market open. Uh, it's a bit cleaner. You have the sweep of liquidity, and it will just go in your direction. I feel like it's cleaner, but it's also more volatile, a lot more aggressive. You can literally get stopped out super quick, and so you need to accept that. But if you're on a runner, if you're on a good trade, then you'll get like good movement out of it. Like you're seeing these longs, right? Price doesn't usually move like this on forex, so it's a bit of a crazy one. So forex is a bit better for beginners as it moves slower, but yeah, and for futures you can use, for example, Apex, 80% off with the code Dylan. You can literally get accounts for as cheap as $20, 50Ks, and you can increase your chances of getting funded if you just buy multiple of them. Trail Stop might be a billionaire soon. For sure, bro, for sure. I saw that Bitcoin did a huge run. So you might be doing good. Yeah, look at these Asia moves, man. My god. You traded aggressively or just like here after yesterday's or so? But yeah, man. Fuck, you know. Good shit, brother. Good shit. I missed out on this GU today, just before the live stream. Could have been a good winner. Yeah, because I want to switch there. I'm seeing lots of moves on futures than forex. Yeah, the trade frequency is definitely higher on futures. Definitely way more setups. But yeah, it's all a matter of testing, man. Grab FX replay and test. Or if 20 bucks don't hurt you, get an Apex account. Take advantage of the fact that it's on discount, you know. But I'm gonna start in Forex for this month and see by next month. Need to do my back testing. Okay. But what you mean by stay? Okay, not start. Yeah, man, of course. Do your testing. Always do your testing, guys. Don't just go with something without even knowing if you're profitable in it or not. Sheesh, good, man, good. It's good that you're doing it on a live as well, cause yeah, no prop firm will pay you $1 million. Yeah, man, good. Awesome to hear that. As far as Bitcoin, yeah, I don't know. Do you think Bitcoin will still reach new highs? I think it will just be here. And now it's Ethereum turn. I think Ethereum would will run the show now, and Bitcoin already did its highs. Because I tried GU without enough data and really, yeah, it could. But at the same time, you might have got the bad side of probabilities. For example, if you have a 50% win rate, you might have got like the 50% unprofitable chances of the data. You know, so it isn't a few trades, it isn't a week that's gonna determine your profitability in a pair, in a session, on anything else. But you need some testing on it. Weekly close has to be 116, 118. Yeah, depends, man. Yeah, if you see this, we're currently testing out this. this high. Let's see if it breaks it. Let's see if it rejects from it. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll. Whoa, 180. 180, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that. That amount of market cap is crazy. At the same time, though, at the same time, I don't think we've seen the top like bull run yet. Like in the chart, it seems like it, but I don't feel like the overall feel of the bull run, like the the most downloaded apps being like Coinbase and Binance, the UFC promoting crypto, the Formula One promoting crypto, like your grandma asking you how to buy crypto. I don't think we still have seen that in this bull run yet. Watch it. I'll be watching, man. I'll be watching. It can be a bullshit. Uh, I mean, easy. Yeah, maybe. No, man. We gotta think in market caps. I mean, if there's a date on it, it needs to be this year. It needs to be this year. Or eventually like a black sheep event and like 2026 Q1. But can't be further than that, I believe. Yo, don't listen to me. Listen to Sean more as he's the crypto G. Wait, wait. All right, Mohammed. See ya. See ya next week, man. Glad to see you here. And he was probably saying this cycle though. But it's good that you know about the cycles though, Shik. That's really important. Man, what's up with these boring ass markets, man? Trying to take some trades for y'all, but I'm also trying to show you what real trading is and what discipline is. And not trying to give y'all some bullshit in case some of you do trade it. But man, market's being slow. Market's being slow. So waiting on this NQ short if it does happen. If it doesn't, is whatever. Not gonna wait forever as it's Friday and market will close soon. Also, give me a bit, boys. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Uh, Okay, I'm back, guys. Thank you guys for staying on this. I mean, if you're still watching this, let's see how, yeah, it continues to go up. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know about the shorts no more. I would love to give y'all some trades, but it's not looking like it. This too, nah, we'll just wait for this efficiency. ES looking dead, probably going to go towards the highs as well. But will it be today? Don't know. Markets are slow. It's already London close almost. Yeah, man. I don't know. We'll keep an eye on this NQ. I'm not sure. Of course, bro. Of course. Especially on live, man. Especially on live, where I might have people that's just watching, just waiting for the setup, and then getting those losses and blaming me. But that's on them either way. But yeah, want to make sure at least provide some quality trades in here, and it won't be every single day or every single hour. Yeah, man. I mean, for the week, I've taken a win on a Monday, a win on Tuesday, so about 6 hour total on futures, and for Forex, I took a break even and a loss. That's about it. But Wednesday, Thursday, and now no trades so far. And the reason that is, guys, is because of the whole market on how it's looking. Well, apart from this GU long, which I did miss, it was on me to blame. I still never touched future. Yeah, man, you're doing what you know. Like you're on Forex and crypto. I'm on Forex and futures. But yeah, you just do what you know. You know. I just went on futures to try it, as I also had the opportunity, and ended up being well. And also, what I was saying is the reason I didn't have trade for the past 3 days is because of the overall market conditions, how they're looking, how the charts are looking, and how they're moving not that well for my strategy. And notice how I'm saying that, and also how I didn't have trades. Because sometimes, and also me, I'm also to blame on that. I've also done that, where we say the market conditions aren't it, and at the same time we're getting losses. And no one's forcing you to trade. No one's pointing the gun at your head, telling you to trade, to put a position. If the market doesn't look like it, if it doesn't look like your setup is there, just don't trade it. Just avoid it. She look clean without no spreads and not as much manipulation. Yeah, yeah. I mean, as far as broker manipulation, there isn't any, of course. But the sweeps of liquidity is the same thing, and it's just nicer. Way more cleaner than Forex ones, I would say. Sweep of liquidity, a nice sweep, and then move to the opposite direction. And the fact of no spreads, everyone gets the same price action, of course, and then it's just overall different pros and cons for the prop firm sides. Anyone else trades futures here that's watching? I know we got some guys that trade futures in here, but most of y'all are on Forex, I believe. Nah, man, you ain't no fucking grandpa, man. Oh shit, yes, might be close to it. So I was looking to short NQ, but I might be having a short setup on ES due to how it will be cleaner, just because it would uh, sweep it right here and not be like NQ where it has swept the same liquidity, but it has moved a lot higher, meaning it's not that clear anymore. A bit, still not that messy, but if ES sweeps it, then definitely could look better. Yeah, man. Didn't we have like fucking 9 likes? Did some of y'all remove your likes or what? It's crazy, man. Come on, people, drop your likes. Alright, people, currently watching this ES, probably gonna sweep above. We'll definitely do it. The question is if it will give a shorting position afterwards. And, and if we'll move. Because it is Friday, market's about to close. Let's see if we can get it. Are we lagging or is the stream alright? Let me know, boys. Let me know. Waiting on the CS. Right, oil will probably go up, but maybe next week. UJ, nothing to see here. GU could have had this win previous to the live stream. But boys, we finishing up the week on profits either way. We had a win that was given on the first live stream on futures. And for the rest, combining Forex and futures, we're still 5R up. Yo, Papi, appreciate, man. I'm not yet the GOAT still. But I appreciate the compliment. Appreciate you guys. What's up? We're getting more people tuning in to the live stream. I would love to have y'all guys earlier on this, because it is when the market's more active. Right now it's just dying out. Or don't know if you guys just came in from school or your jobs. Is the goal. Don't listen to these lies. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, super slow, man. Super slow. It is gonna blow. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. It is gonna blow soon. People will caught up to it eventually. Because, man, the amount of people that just became profitable or just passed the accounts just by seeing my channel and not ever paying me a single penny, it is crazy. Also because I'm super small as a YouTuber. Only guru that isn't charging 5k to teach you how to draw a trend line and drop him. Let's fucking go. Hey, that's $10 fucking dollars. Hey, profit is profit, man. Regardless of the profit amount, how much was that on percentages or R's? You go to prop firms, you can translate that to literally thousands, you know? Hey, profit is profit, man. How much does that translate to R's or percentages? Thank you for your respect. Thank you, thank you. And let's go. We hit the 10 likes, man. Come on. Hey, man. Good shit. Good shit. I'll fucking fixate your message. Motherfucker made $10 thanks to me. Let's fucking go, man. Uh, Come on. We got 12 people in this bitch, man. I mean, 100 views collectively we can. 100 views like watching the like live. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. I would appreciate that. Here there's nothing. Yeah, we're dropping on NQ, but we still have not swept this ES high, so it might still be going up. But yeah, boys, please, man, if you were to, please share this live. You gotta return to Asia soon so we can hit that gym session the first step. Exactly, man. Exactly, man. I mean, you might see me soon, bro. If you back in KL, I'm going there. I'm going there, man. Gonna be there next month. Lock in for a bit. I believe like everywhere else is kind of shit still, especially Thailand. I know it's still a bit shit with the rainy season. So I'll be in KL for a bit. Yeah. I'm going back to KL. Yeah, just cause like my friend is gonna be there in KL, and I think it's the best place to lock in. Like good infrastructure, and regardless if it's rain or not, like you can lock in good. Yeah, man, I know you love it. You told me the other life you spent quite a bit of time in there. Did you went to Phuket, right? Phuket, Krabi, and all that side. Exactly, man. Exactly. Like I love that, man. Where you can just get a place in Bangkok or Kuala Lumpur and have the gym, have the pool, so you can just lock in. You literally don't need to leave your apartment building unless it is to maybe like train Muay Thai or something like that. Yeah, Thailand is the way. Thailand is the way, papi. Just waiting on it to be like good season, and we'll probably try out Phuket this time. I've been Koh Samui and Bangkok, and also like the islands next to Koh Samui, like Koh Phangan. But we'll try Phuket next. Don't know if it's better than. Whoa, we got 21 likes. How do we get that many likes? Or am I tripping or what? Did we jump from 10 to 20 likes? Are you boys really sharing this live? But yeah, we'll see if Phuket is better than Koh Samui. Like, I don't know. I'm backing Samui all the way. If any of you boys is in Thailand or even Malaysia, which I doubt a bit, but let me know, bro. Let me know. Just hit me up and maybe we can link up or something. See you soon, G. See you soon. Is Aaron still there? Oh, he's solo. But he like definitely left, or was it something like you, like some little vacations, or is he back to the UK? Or he's maybe just like enjoying the summertime in UK, right? Man, I think my shit is bugging. We went from 21 likes to back to 11. I don't know, man. And now we're at 10. People are removing the likes or what? You hating ass motherfuckers, man. For some family stuff, you catch me. Yeah, I know you won't. I know you won't go in there. Yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. Nah, I'll see you there, bro. I'll see you there. I'm probably gonna be hanging with my friend as well, which is a trader, which he was here on the live before. Thomas one, which he was also living with me in Thailand, living a bit with me here in Portugal. Yeah, man, we'll see, we'll see. You boys trading anything, or is the market dead for you as well? Back of killers out here next month, then. Exactly, exactly. Exactly. Let's see. Let's see. Have you met any other like traders in Kuala Lumpur? I hear there's a bit of a community, digital nomad wise, but traders, I don't know. But it is a good place to lock in, for real. And it is a beautiful city. Man, you guys should have seen, man. I was on a 55 some floor, literally with a view of Kuala Lumpur at night. That shit was nice. That shit was nice. That shit felt like Dubai, honestly. English boys out here in KL doing the same stuff they are in town. Yeah, yeah, that seems to be the move. Always Thailand, but always like jumping on the nearby countries just to get that visa run or some shit. GIC story already raking up the likes. What you mean by that? You mean like bitches or what? Oh, the view, the view, the view. I don't know if I saw your later story. Yeah, man, your building site look crazy as well. It's crazy. Like mine as well. You literally had like not a shopping mall, but like all commerces below it, and just makes it even more convenient. Yeah, I'll see, I'll see, I'll see, I'll see. I mean, I can have a look at it right now. Let me have a look. Yeah, you're right here. Getting a nice win. This is probably Ethereum, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Crazy, man, crazy. Nostalgia, man. Damn, they put they lighten up that building like crazy. The one that's yeah, man. Cool ass story, bro. Can't deny it. Yeah, yeah, cause like from your balcony, I think you can't see it because it's literally like behind or some shit. Cause you're facing the other way. But on mine, I was also facing that side of the city. I mean, kinda. Still 10 people watching, man. You boys just jump in when the market is already dead. I mean, for forex wise, this could be a good timing to get some trades in. But futures, not really. And as far as forex, UHU at least what I trade, it's already dead. But yo, make sure you leave a like. Someone made $10 thanks to me. All right, we're making people rich, but definitely making people funded. And remember, $10 can be reflected to anything. It can be 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, depending on the person's capital. And then that in profits can be reflected to thousands of dollars. Yeah, yeah, some berry, I bet. All right, man. Thank you for hopping on. Thank you for being here. And we'll see each other soon, man. We'll see each other soon. I'll probably hop off this, guys, as well. It ain't being that interesting. Uh, if you see ES doing this, there might be a short position here if there is a liquidity sweep off of this level, but risky. It's Friday, the market's closing. Might not even reach this. I mean, it might, but not even give you a setup, maybe. So be careful with that. Might be late. You might burn yourself. And EOHU, I don't see nothing. And Q, maybe some shorts from here, but I don't know. The market might not move. So better to stay out of it. It's been a pleasure. Let me know if you enjoyed the stream. Let me know if you learned something. Please leave a like. It will literally really help and motivate me to continue to do these. Let me know. He probably already gone. But yeah. If he drops it in, go follow him. That man's a G. But yeah, see you next week, boys. See you next week. Let me know if you enjoyed the live. Leave a like. And yeah, boys. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Backtest. Make sure you sharpen the skill and come back stronger for next week. As this week was a bit dead, the next one might be better. But hey, we finished up profitably. And take advantage of the weekend to also watch the live streams if you need. Yes, go watch a 3 hour live stream. All right, I'm giving gems here. I give gems in here, and you might catch you might catch my strategy, because you'll see how I analyze the markets live, direct. There's nothing to fake here. You can see the timer. You can go check it with your charts right now. You can see it's the same. I would advise you. The first one we did catch a winning trade. So yeah, I know that you boys started hearing me. I will jump out and hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, boys.